Okay, good morning to all of you. Welcome to our um, live Zoom business presentation of F Mobile 21 IPP program. And I'm very excited to show you how beautiful is our 21 IPP program. All right. Now, I'm going to give you a chance later to ask question, okay? So, but I want all of you to mute all your microphone first, all right? And then if you have question later, I will give you a chance to ask, and you can unmute your microphone and say and ask any questions later on. But right now, I want you all to listen first so that eh, uh, everybody will learn how the 21 of F Mobile is all about. Okay, my name is Ron Capua, and I'm the owner, and I'm the only owner of F Mobile in the world. Okay, and I know all of you are very excited now. Okay, so let's start by questioning you. Who among you here would like to earn um $10, $10 every day, or $20, or $40, or $100, up to $3,000 monthly? Who among you? Can I see you? Uh, Raise your hand who want to make up to $3,000. Very good. Okay. How about joining give you an opportunity that you don't need to invest? Wow. You don't need to invest $1,000, $2,000, 3,000. No, no, no. This is not an investment company. All you need to do is just pay a membership of 21 US dollars. Are you excited about it? All right. And if you join here, you are like having a uh, a lifetime business that you can make dollars every day, every single day, or let's say every week. But remember, you don't need to invest anything here. So when they ask you how much in the investment, no, we are only offering a membership. Do you understand? Okay, because that $21 membership, I mean, the membership is your payment, as like your down payment or reservation for your cell phone. When you purchase your cell phone later, that is your payment for your cell phones in the future. If you are dreaming like iPhone or Samsung phone, or or a laptop, or whatever devices you want, that $21 is your advance down payment for that. But that is not your investment. Did you get it? All right. Amazing. Right? Very beautiful. No monthly fee. Wow. No monthly fee. So why are you wasting your money? Why are you wasting your money in other company that you need to pay every month? You need to purchase a product every month that you don't use it, that you don't need it, right? But when you join in this opportunity, when you join in F Mobile, you will only pay a one-time membership fee. Wow, my goodness. This
Oh,
is this is the company that everyone's preying upon. Can you imagine? There is no monthly fee. You can buy your dream cell phones without coming out from your pocket anymore. Wow. Once you pay your $21 IPP, you can make and you can start dollars and making money every week, every month. And from your commission, we will deduct every port cycle of your pairing bonus. And that pairing bonus, that port cycle pairing bonus is your savings for your future cell phone. Can you get it? So in other words, if you have, example, $300 from your product voucher coming from your first cycle money, now you can use that to purchase your dream iPhone, your dream cell phones, your dream laptop. My question is, you can be able to purchase your dream iPhone Pro Max 16. You can be able to purchase your dream Apple computer, and that money came from your product voucher, from your fourth cycle bonuses. In other words, you can purchase your dream cell phone without coming out from your pocket anymore. Wow. This is amazing. This is very exciting. Because you only pay $21 membership fee, correct? Like Lisa Falabi, right now she have money in her product voucher worth $500, and another one in her other account has $300. Can you imagine that? She can now purchase two mobiles, one laptop and one cell phone, but she only paid $21. Hello, this is a very good opportunity. So Lisa only paid $21, and now she ordered me to purchase a laptop and another Samsung phone, and those payments coming from her product voucher money. I hope you understand that, because if you understand that, you will get excited and you can convince more people that, hey, my friend, you can join us. You can join us, and by only paying $21 monthly, $21 one-time fee, and you can start earning money. And there is a program that is from every fourth cycle of your commission will be your savings, and that savings, you can use that to purchase your dream cell phone. In other words, you can purchase your dream cell phones without coming out from your pocket anymore. Amazing. Okay, so I want you to mute your microphone, Mario. Okay, please, so that disturb us here. Thank you. Welcome aboard, Mario. Okay. Our top earner in the Philippines, Mario. Okay, Mario, how are you? Can you unmute your microphone, Mario? Mario, how are you? Mario there?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Good morning, sir.
How long have you been here in Friendship?
This Friendship Company, I joined since October 2020.
Oh
Almost
my
5 years now
5 years
in
na.
this company,
Did
loyal to this company.
did I cheat you or did uh
No,
did I
I
not
find
pay
this
your commission or
company,
I pay your commission every time you requested it?
is the company paying commission daily to all members worldwide for over 5 years now.
Oh my
So,
gosh.
amazing company.
Oh my goodness. Thank you very much, Mario. Okay, you can mute your
Welcome, welcome,
microphone and
welcome, Sharon.
let's talk again later, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Mario. Okay. And another one is once you join us, you will get paid in US dollars everywhere you are. Wow. So you are like working in America, right, Mario? You are like you are like living in America because I will pay you in US dollars. And, and if you want to receive literally example US dollars, so let me know and I will deposit US dollars to your bank account. But many of you want to convert it to Solomon dollars or to Philippine peso, but I will I will pay you whatever rate in US dollars in your country. That's the most exciting here. Oh my goodness. To work in America, how much do you need to pay to work here? How much the placement fee here to work here in America, Mario, in the Philippines? Do you know? Do you have any idea? Unmute your microphone. Unmute. Yeah. How much are you going to pay to work here?
To pay work in Friendship Company?
No, in America to earn US dollars. How much you need to pay?
You have to
Placement fee. It's
spend
like
money.
300,000, right?
You have big money to work in America.
Yeah.
You have
Like
to
300,000 in the Philippines. that's like how much 300,000? Like $4,000 to work in the US. But you are lucky because you can earn US dollars by just paying $21 only. Oh my goodness. Let's give everybody a big hands. My gosh. This is very, very good. Right? Oh. Plus, you will get all of this for a cheaper amount of 21 one-time payment. This is your business for life. You won't pay every month, you would pay every year. So once you pay your $21, this is your business for life. Wow. Now let me show you how the 21 IP program work. If you cannot afford to buy your dream original brand name cell phones like Apple, iPhones, if you want an F Mobile Android brand names, our own brand, or if you want a Samsung phone or LG phones, Motorola phones, or any brand names that you wanna purchase. If you don't have enough money right now, because that Samsung phone is very expensive. It's like $1,200, right, Mario?
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah, right. That's right.
If you don't have that enough money, don't worry, you can join first to our F Mobile 21 IPP program, and in after 3 to 4 months, you can be able to save money to purchase your Apple iPhones, your Motorola cell phone without coming out anymore from your pocket. Wow, exciting. Now, how do you earn in 21 IPP? Very simple. All right. So I want you to listen very well so that you won't, you can understand how you will get paid. All right. Every time, example, this is you already paid your membership fee of $21. Now you can start inviting, building your network. Everybody needs two people. Everybody needs two people. But if you can register 3, 4, 5, 10, well, that will give you a lot of money, my friend. Okay? Let's say, for example, let's be conservative. You just invited two friends. So once you have registered one friend, you will be positioning her or him on your left. So you have one eagle on your left right now. If you sign up again another friends or another eagles, you will place him or you will place her on your right. Okay? So you have another one new member on your right. Once you have one new member on your left, and once you have a new member on your right, and once the system detected that you have 1 point on your left and you have 1 point on your right, congratulations, you will get a one pair and the system will pay you automatically $10. Wow. Do you like that, Mario?
Yes, sir. That's amazing, Complan.
Oh my goodness. And all you need to do is you help this your first eagle on your left to register two people only. Two people. Excuse me, or two friends. Once this person on your left registered two people, and of course your right leader will also register his or her two friends, the system will automatically detected that you have another pairs and you have two pairs again. Every time you have one pair, you will get paid $10. But how many pairs do you have right now? Two pairs. So the company will pay you, the system will automatically pay you, ta-da! $20. Wow. You don't need to compute anymore because the system will automatically pay you the amount depending on the pairs that you have today. Example, your left team, for example, okay, register another two friends. So these two people here register two friends. So you have another 4 points on your left. And these two people on your right, Mario, do they have friends also? These two people on your right, Mario? Do they have two friends? Two neighbors? Of course. So they can sign up their two friends each. So next week, you have another 4 pairs. And if you have 4 pairs times $10, you get paid $40. less 10% service charge. or service fee, that is around $38. Wow. Mario, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here. I'm here.
So you already paid $10, $20, $40. So how much is that total? 40, 20, 10. How much that? That's $70, Mario, right? How much did you pay, Mario? $21 only. But Mario will continually receiving commission every time Mario have a new pair. Right? Example, this is Mario or this is you. You have another 8 new members on your left and another 8 new members on your right. So you have another 8 pairs again, and the company will pay you $80. Oh my gosh. So when you when you receive $80, $40, $20, $10, do Mario need to pay again? No. Do you need to pay another $21 again? Because you already earned 80, 40, 110, 140. You already earned $150. So do you need to pay again? No. Oh my gosh. You will continue earning a pair bonus without paying again and again and again. Wow. Example, you have another 16 pairs today or this week or this month. You will get paid how much? Another $160. Oh my goodness. All right. An example, the 16 persons here or 16 friends here on your right invited another 2 friends, so you have another 32. Another 32 pairs, and that is $320. Wow. Do you want to earn this kind of earnings by only paying $21? Everybody likes that. Everybody likes that. And once you have example, a total of 64 pairs from all your accounts. You can have here 3 accounts, 4 accounts, 5 accounts, 7 accounts, up to 21 accounts if you want to. Because the more you have, the more you have an account, the more heads you have, the more accounts you have, the more earnings that you will get every day, every week, or every month. Let's say, for example, you have another 128 pairs, total pairs for this week. You get $1,280. I have paid Renita Baloda yesterday like almost $500. $500 US in one day. Renita Baloda. And how much that in Solomon? $500 yung mga sa XE. Andyan, XE. My secretary is my wife, okay? So if you want to find a good secretary, look for your wife, okay, or husband. Okay. So Renita Baloda, okay, I paid her almost $500 yesterday through Western Union, and in Solomon Island, just roughly 4,177. Oh, let's say 4,000 Solomon Island dollars. One day. One day. One day. One day. How much did she pay? $21. Come on. Come on. And if you have 256 total pairs in 1 week or in 1 month, for me, it's okay with me to earn $2,560 in 1 month. How much $2,560 in Solomon? Yeah. Yeah, palitan mo lang nasa taas. Yeah. 2,500. Let's see how much that in Solomon money. 20,885 Solomon Islander dollars. Do you want that, Lecton? Lecton? Do you want to earn that? Lecton, do you want to earn 2,000, 20,000?
20,885.
20,885 in 1 month? Of course, because why Lecton love it? Because he only paid $21. Come on. I hope you guys understand that you can make a lot of money here by only paying $21. You don't need to purchase any products every month. That's the good news. And once you have, example, these 256 people here registered 2 each, so you have 512 on your left and right. So you have 512 pairs times $10. That is $5,120 in 1 month. How much that? $5,120 in Solomon money. How much?
42,773.
42,000. Come on. You want to earn that?
Amazing.
And Lisa Palabi, she has almost earned almost $20,000 already. US dollars, 20,000 US dollars. How much did you pay, Lisa, for your account?
2021 US.
Oh, wow. Can you imagine? That's why I understand if Lecton cannot sleep later. because Lecton cannot sleep later because he's very excited. Because can you imagine you can make this much of money by only paying $21? Wow. And look at this slide. Example, you have one 21 IPP on your left and another 21 IPP on your right. You will get paid 1 pair, and that's $10, right? Example, this person on your left registered 1 person on his left and no registered on her right. And on your right team, this person don't have his or her left recruit, but she only recruited 1 person on the right. Don't worry about it. Even this person don't completed his left and right, the company will pay you 1 pair for this. In other company, you need to wait for this person to register left and right. They need to register left and right for you to get paid. But in this binary plan, you don't need to wait for this person on your left to completed his left and right. Even without his left or right, like this, you will get paid. Wow. Very easy binary plan. Do you like that? Very easy. Even the third grade student in the elementary can understand this. Because it's very simple, right? It's very simple. Left, one right, 10. One left, one right, 10. One left, one right, 10. One left, one right, 10. Oh my gosh. Oh. even like this. Don't worry about if your members recruited his left and right, as long as those each member registered one each, you will get paid once you have one pair. Very easy to make money. Now, how can you pay your dream cell phone? How can you pay your dream cell phone? Very simple. Example, your target cell phone brand model amount, for example, Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. The price will automatically be deducted. The system will automatically deduct your payment for your iPhone Pro Max from every fourth cycle binary pairing bonuses. It means that you can pay your dream cell phones without coming out from your own pocket anymore. Wow. That's why Lisa, I will deliver her laptop, but she didn't pay it coming out from her pocket anymore. That laptop that she ordered to me is coming from their commission, from her binary bonuses. So think about it. You will only pay $21 and you can purchase your dream phone without coming out from your pocket anymore. Very, very exciting. Example, I'll give you another example. Example, you have one pair today, right? I will pay you in cash. Another second pair, I will pay you in cash again for your second pair. On your third pair, I will pay you again in cash. In any bank account you have, I will transfer it, I will deposit it. And then your fourth pair, this will be saved for your dream phones. Wow. Very nice program. So on your fifth pair, excuse me, on your fifth pair, I will pay you again in cash. On your sixth pair, I will pay you again in cash. On your seventh pair, I will pay you again in cash. On your eighth pair, that will be your savings for your future cell phone purchases. Wow. In other words, you will earn three pairs, and then your fourth pair will be your money to use for to purchase your dream phones in 1 month, in 2 months, or in 3 months. Wow. Your ninth pair, you will get paid in cash again. On your 10th, 11th pair, you will get paid in cash. On your 12th pair, that will be your savings for your dream phones again. Your 13th pair, your 14th pair, you will get paid in cash again. On your 15th pair, you will get paid in cash. On your 16th, every fourth cycle, you will have your savings to purchase your dream phones. That's how you can save money for your dream cell phones. Oh my gosh. Amazing, amazing program. This is our company safety net, okay? Of course, without company safety net, we will get bankrupt, and we cannot afford to pay to pay more commission to members, right? So we have company safety net. You have from every one account, your maximum payout is 5 pairs. Wow, 5 pairs. Example, you have one header account. This is your one header account potential income. You have 5 pairs per day, right? Times $10, that's 50. How many days in 1 month? 31 days. So your maximum commission for one account is $1,550. Is that okay? That's very, very okay. I'm paying coffee. That's very, very okay because you only pay $21. Come on. And you are earning $1,550 monthly. Oh my goodness. If you have 3 headers account, so you have 15 pairs. So 3 times 5 is 15 pairs per day if you have 3 headers account. Right? And how many days in one month? 31 days. So if you have 150 US dollars a day times 31, that's 4,650. How much is the 3 headers? $63. 24 times 3. Including tax, it's $72. And your maximum commission is $4,650 every month. If you have 7 headers account, so 7 times 5 pairs each day, so 35 pairs times 10, so you have $350 per day for 35 accounts times 31 days. That $10,850 potential income from all your 7 headers account. So you have $10,850. How much only did you pay? $147 only. And if you have, example, 12 headers account, 12 times 5 pairs per day, so you have 60 pairs per day. Times $10, that's $600 per day. How many days in 1 month? 31 days. 600 times 31 is 18,600 every month. That is your potential income every month. Potential income. How much did you pay for 12 headers? 12 accounts? 252 only. Wow. If you have 21 head accounts, meaning that 21 times 5 pairs per day per account, so you have 100 pairs per day. So you will be able to earn 105 pairs in 1 day for all your 21 accounts. Times $10 is $1,050. Times 31 days, that's $32,550. Do you want to earn 32,000 every month, Mario? Do you want to earn? Of course. How about you, Kong? Kong Seng, do you want to earn 32,000 a month? Kong Seng, unmute your microphone, Kong. If you don't want it, I will get it. You want it?
Okay.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Of course. Especially Lecton, right? Lecton? You want that, right?
Yes, of course. I really want it.
Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, we're almost done. We're almost done. If you have So we have Piper's Plus Out Daily. Of course, your payout commission is daily, so you can request commission every day. Oh my gosh. So I can request commission every day, Sir Ron? Yes. If I am the member of this company, I cannot sleep later. I cannot sleep later. I cannot sleep later. If I have like this kind of company and the president is very hardworking, I cannot sleep anymore. Because I'm very hardworking person. If you will give me this kind of opportunity, I will become millionaire in 3 to 6 months time. Because I'm very hardworking person. I'm very sure that I will become millionaire in 3 to 6 months time. If the company pays me every day, if the company very honest, and the company has been doing this for 5 years, man, I can pay not $21, I can pay $200 here. As long as the company is real, as long as the company is paying dollars every day, I can pay $200, $300. But you are lucky because you will only pay $21 in this opportunity. That's why this is your chance. This is your chance. This is your chance to get rich, my friend. So if Kong did not sleep later, it's normal, It's normal. If you cannot sleep later, that's normal. But if you sleep later, that's abnormal. Right? Can you imagine? You will become millionaire and then you sleep right away? Oh my God. So you're not excited? I'm just kidding. But that's true. That's abnormal. Okay? Oh my gosh. You only pay $21, but you're talking to me right now. No president that you can talk every day by only paying $21. But I'm very sincere to you guys. Join us, pay your 21. Let's work together. I'll pay you every day. That's it. And I don't want you to do re-sponsoring of other members. I don't want it. I want a good business. I don't want a monkey business, my friend. Now, don't get other members. Especially when they join already. Hey, you joined to my team. Buy another account and join to me. No. If you did that, I will terminate your account. I want all of you to be honest. I want all of you to earn money with your hard work. I want you to earn money without hurting other person. Let's have a business long term, not short term. I don't want to hear you guys are fighting one another. Oh, what happened? She got my member. Oh, that's my member. Why my member? You recruited my member again and create an account under your team. No, I don't like that. If somebody complain about that, let me know and I will terminate that person. Now, whoever recruited that person, that's her and that's for him, not for you. Okay? So let's avoid. I want everybody happy here. Okay? Come on. Let's make the networking a very good business to many people, because a lot of people are afraid to join networking anymore because they scam. They experience, scam in other company. But let's show them that, hey, friendship is not a scam company. We are very happy. We are earnings every day. We don't fight each other. We love each other. We support each other. That's what I want to happen in our company. I don't want cross-lining. Cross-lining means this is your you have, this is your team, and then you will create an account again to another team. No. So if you want to open an account, focus on your umbrella. Don't create another team here. Can you get it? So that's avoid cross-lining. Only create your team under your umbrella. Okay, don't do cross-lining. I don't like that. Okay? Huh? Against the policy. It's against the policies. Why are you going to join 21 IPP? This will be our last slide. Can you imagine? This will be our last slide, and we're finished. In other company, it's only an introduction. Because when they introduce one product, it 2 hours. One product, 2 hours. But us, no. In just 20, 40 minutes, we're done. Very simple to understand, right? Amazing. Okay? Now this will be our last slide, okay? Why 21 IPP is the best opportunity in the world? Because you get paid every pair of 21 IPP for life. For life. For life. For life. For life. Do you understand? Let me repeat. For life, you will earn 21 IPP. For the rest of your life, you will earn 21 IPP every time you have one pair. Do you like that? Oof. So when Kong sleep immediately later, he's abnormal. But if he did not sleep, that's normal, huh? That's normal, huh? Let me know if Kong is sleep, huh? Or Kong did not sleep later, huh? If Kong did not sleep, it's normal. Okay? Number 2, you get paid on every pair, also of 59 IPP. So if there is one person want to purchase a 59 IPP, you will get pair. You will get paid again without paying 59. And if there's someone who wanted to purchase cell phone immediately, you will get paid for every pair of 14 Pro Max. You will get paid for every pair of 15 Pro Max. You will get paid for every pair of 16 Pro Max without you paying a Pro Max. So you only pay $21 and you will get a multiple earnings. Come on. Whatever they want to purchase. They want to purchase 21, fine. They want to purchase cell phone immediately, very fine. You will get paid. Even I did not pay my cell phone yet. Yes, you will get paid again. My goodness. Maybe Kong will sleep tomorrow. Okay. My God, very exciting. Imagine you will get paid multiple pairing bonuses, different. Oh. You get paid on every pair of Samsung. You will get paid on every pair of LG. You will get paid on every Motorola. Aside from $21. Let me repeat. Kong will earn on every 21 pair. Right? Kong will also get fare for every 21 pair or Samsung. So 21 Samsung cell phone, 1 pair. He will get paid. He did not pay Samsung yet. But once Samsung have 121 IPV, 1 cell phone, he get paid. 121 IPV, 159, he get paid. 1 cell phone, he get paid. Oh my gosh. So Kong only paid $21? Oh, what an opportunity. Come on, man. How much did you pay, guys? 21 US dollars only. And this will be your payment and last membership for the rest of your life. Let's give everybody a big hand. Oh my God. This is the end of my presentation. That's it. That's it. There's no hidden fees. There's no hidden agenda. I'm a good leader. I'm very honest. You know what is the proof of my honesty? You know what is the proof? Aside from my 5 years doing good business, aside from 5 years doing it, you know what is my proof that I'm very honest? Facebook disabled my first account because I'm posting there your income. I'm posting there the new members. I'm posting there your videos. I'm posting there how much I pay the members. I'm very honest. That's why Facebook don't allow it, and they disable my account. I'm very disappointed. But that's against their community policy. Because of my honesty, because of my transparency, I show everything in my Facebook. And because of that, Facebook don't like it, and they disabled my account. My Ron Capuas account. Because of my honesty. And good news, we will have our own social media platform very soon. We will have our own social media like Facebook, that you can post anything there. You can post our income. We can post there your earnings. Plus, I will give you an extra income. You like that? Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm the one I cannot sleep, honey. Huh? So watch out. We're going to have our own social media platform. Let's give everybody a big hand. Okay? Our IT team is doing it right now. So we can have our own Facebook that we can post our earnings, we can post our video testimony and everything. Let's create our own. Let's create our own. And let's not depend on Facebook alone. So there's an Instagram, there's a YouTube, there's a, there's a F mobile social media soon. You like that? Oh, wow. Amazing. You like it, Lisa? So now I will give you 10 minutes to raise questions. You can ask questions. but don't ask a question like history. Yeah, I'm not good in history, and I'm not good in science. Only ask business. Okay? Are you happy, guys? Are you happy?
Happy.
Yes.
Okay.
Happy.
So who
Very,
wants?
very happy. Happy.
Oh wow, very good. So can you imagine in just how many minutes? 45 minutes? In just 45 minutes to 1 hour, our business presentation is finished. And many people is now requesting commission again. My gosh. You want to see how much I am paying? Okay, hold on. I told you, I'm very honest person. Oh my gosh. I'll show you something. Hold on. I'll show you something. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look, I wanted to I want you to see, and I want to show you how much money I pay every day. Do you see it, Han? Di ba?
Yes.
You see how many I'm paying? $98, $108. Oh, look how many payment I'm paying every day. Imagine that. November 15, November 17, December 22. Look at the people I'm paying. This is what they are getting every day, 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 every day. My gosh. Are you guys happy?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, if you have any question,
Very happy, very happy.
if you have any question, you can contact me every day, but don't contact me when I'm sleeping, okay? Because Lecton sometimes follow up me. I'm sleeping. How can I answer you? How can I answer you? Come on, man. Right? So I'm starting working around 8 a.m. New York time. Okay, so always check my time in New York time. So I start working, checking your emails, checking your messages every 8 a.m. in the morning up to 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., sometimes 9 p.m. Okay? If you're going to ask me, are you alone, Mr. Kapwa? No, I have an IT team working with me. I'm paying them. I'm paying commission. I'm paying salaries for them. Are you excited? So
Yes, yes.
don't, hey, Mr. Ron, answer me. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. How can I answer you, my friend? Okay? Relax. Relax. Okay? Relax. Okay? If you have 100,
Okay.
I paid millions of dollars already. I will not destroy my name for just $200, for just $500, come on. With my honesty, Facebook disabled my account. But right now, please don't expect me to post in my Facebook, okay? I hope you understand that. Okay? In my own platform, we will post everything there. And I will give you money. Extra income. You want that? Can you imagine?
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
have our own social
Yes, yes.
media, and you will get
Yes, I
paid
want-
again. You will get paid again and again with our own social media. Aside from Binary F Mobile, I will pay you an extra again on our F Mobile social media up to 35,000, no? $35,000. As long as you have friends in joining on your social media, F Mobile social media, you will get paid. You will get paid. You will get paid again. Join another person in our social media, I will pay you again. I will pay you. I will pay you. Aside from Binary in F Mobile, you will get an extra money again with our social media platform. Oh my gosh. Facebook will not pay you, right? Will not pay you. How many friends do you
Yes.
have on your Facebook? Lisa. How many friends do you have on Facebook? 100, 200, 300? Did Facebook pay you? Did pay Mario? Are you there, Mario? Mario,
Yes, I'm here.
how many friends do you have on Facebook?
I have more than 300 friends.
Oh, how much
Facebook.
Facebook pay you? How much Facebook did pay you for 300 friends?
Nothing.
$0.
Nothing.
For 300
$0.
people,
$0.
and they will disable you. They will disable you when you post an income like what they did to me.
Yes, my Facebook
Once you have
disabled.
300 people in our social media platform, I'll pay you $300 US dollar. That's fine. That's fine, Mario. If you have
Yes, fine.
1,000 friends in our social media platform, I'll pay you $500. That's okay?
Wow,
Give
amazing.
everybody a big hand. Oh my gosh. Let's wait for our social media. Okay? That's extra income. That's extra income, okay? That earnings from social media, F Mobile social media, that's if you're earning like $600 extra, you can use that for your gas, paying your apartment, your income in F Mobile Binary, that's your savings. Is that okay with you?
Yes,
Can't
yes,
wait,
yes.
Ron.
Yeah.
Can't wait for that.
Oh my gosh. So wait for our IT team is starting to to develop our social media platform, okay? And once it's ready, I will invite you for a Zoom, and I will show you how you will earn extra, you know, $600, $500, $3,000 extra. Okay? At least I pay you. At least I pay you. Facebook don't pay you anything, any candy. Did Facebook pay you candy? No. Mario? Candy. Or did Lisa, did Facebook with your 500 friends, did they pay you coffee? No. No?
No, no,
No.
sir.
No. But in our social media, I'll pay you up to $35,000. Let's give everybody a big hand.
Wow. And
Oh my gosh. I believe that every happening in our life, there is a purpose. Maybe that's why Facebook suspended my account. Maybe the Lord reminded me, why don't you create your own? Why don't you create your own social media and help your members give an extra income? I said, right. So be excited, because I will give you an extra money with our own social media. Let's give everybody a big hand. So guys, thank you very much for your time. And I understand if you cannot sleep later. That's normal. But I will not understand if you sleep. So guys, thank you very much. Love you all. Okay.
Love you
Do you
too.
have any question?
Good night.
Okay, you can ask Lisa, you can ask Mario, you can ask me, but I will sleep. I will sleep like 5 more hours, huh? Okay. So I woke up 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So guys, keep on doing the referring to people. Teach your people to refer to. Every time you have one pair, I'll pay you every time you have one pair. Thank you very much, and welcome to F Mobile Binary Plan. And later on, we will have our F Mobile social media platform that will give you an extra income, extra 500, extra 1,000, extra $3,000, extra 10,000, depending on how many friends you have on our social media platform. That's extra income. So I love you all. I'm Ron Capua. Welcome to F Mobile. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Good
Love
night.
you.
Good morning, Ron, and good night, everyone.